Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another e-file haul for you guys. So I am going to unbox this and test it. These guys are super old, so these are quite grown out, and I figured I would go ahead and remove that design. So this is from PELCAS. This is the essentially all-in-one e-file, meaning there is no box to it. It is just this device. So let's get into the box. So you obviously have your e-file, and then you've got a bunch of different bits. So these look like fine or medium. Coarse. Yeah, so it looks like maybe these are coarse or extra coarse, medium, and then fine. So they provide 3 different sizes, or they provide 3 different finishes, which I think is great. Your standard diamond bits that come in every e-file that you can get off Amazon, it seems like. You also have these guys, which is great for natural nails. So like if you like to use just like a buffing paste, these padded ones are really good for that. And then you have your charging, is it USB-C? Let's see. No, it is not. But this is actually quite long. So let's undo it, which I have said in the past. Okay, yeah, this is really long. It is longer than my arm, so yeah, like really long, guys. You can see my light there. This is now 4 times past, so that's great. Ignore my setup there. So I'm gonna test out the e-file. Let's see, does it have a locking? Okay, good start. It is a locking mechanism. Take that out, and it looks like we have forward and reverse, and then the on button, your charger, and that's pretty much it besides the locking mechanism. So let's get an e-file bit in there. All right, unlocking. Going to slide this guy in there. Let's hit the power button. Perfect. Now, okay, I was wondering, I'm like, I'm pretty sure the power button is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the highest it'll go. Here's the sound. Very quiet. All right. Okay, I'm gonna hold it to power it off. You're gonna be there forever if you're going to try to remove all of your builder gel. I don't think this would work on acrylic, like at all. Builder gel, I'm gonna say no. Gel polish, yes. So I'm gonna go gel polish to natural nails only. No real enhancements I don't think would work well with this. The RPMs are not strong enough. Let's try it again on this guy. since there's not much on him to show you. Yeah, that is not for builder gel. I'm gonna pull out my Mani Pro just so you can see. It is all the way up. It is vastly louder, and you're gonna see why. So I had to push pretty hard while using this, and with an e-file you definitely don't want pressure, so gel polish I really think you'd be fine, but that's it. If you maybe just do a super thin layover with builder gel, you might be fine, but I don't know. I don't want to say that it would be good for builder gel more than just a natural layover, because even then I don't think I would want to use this for that. But I don't think you would have any issues with gel polish or kind of just buffing your natural nails. That was what these guys are for. These are diamond bits, so you can do like a dry manicure around your nails. And then this again is also for just more of a natural nail manicure. So they give you the correct bits, I think, for what it's for. I have to check to see if they advertise for enhancements. Let me look. So it does say it is a 20,000 RPM e-file, but 20,000 RPMs is not enough for acrylic nails. Even though it does advertise it would be good for acrylic nails, this would definitely like 0 out of 10 for acrylic nails, because I don't even think you could probably get the first layer of acrylic off, if I'm gonna be honest, because builder gel is substantially softer than acrylic, and this barely got any of the builder gel off. It got mostly just the gel polish off, which again is fine, but it does advertise for acrylic nails, and I'm gonna go with no, that is not the case. But gel polish, natural nails, I don't think you would have an issue with this. Just 20,000 RPMs for enhancements is not gonna be enough to get the job done. I think it's great to bring different e-files and affordability to people. Right now, I believe this is a $40 e-file, and I think they have like a 15% off code right now on Amazon. So I'll link it if you're interested in for more of a natural nail e-file below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.